Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio radio, touchscreen display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.